Hi everyone, I'm Reid from Tanby Garden Centre. Welcome to our demo on laying your turf. Right, so we're almost ready to lay our turf. What we like to do before that is we get down some grass master. At a ratio of, it's about 1 kilogram per 10 metres squared. It's a bit like feeding the chooks, just as even as you can. No real thick areas, but you'd like to be able to see it on the ground. So about that coverage there is good. Okay, so we've got our grass master down and we're ready to plant some turf, so let's get into it. It's almost like tiling. The first slab is probably the most important one. It's what you're going to base the rest of yours off. So you butt it up nice and close to you. It could be a footpath, a garden bed, a fence, more grass. You butt it up nice and close and we're away. So through the laying process, we like to keep our ground dry. It's just much easier to work with. Now we've got our first line down and we're about to lay our second line. We like to kind of treat them as bricks in a house and we stagger them. So I'll show you. So we'll cut one in half, get that one out of the way, and then basically we just start laying our full slabs again. So we've got a line here and a line here. Okay, so just one more thing to finish up on our turf laying demo. I'd like to pretend here for a second that we have ourselves, say, a fence. So we're working up against a fence just here at the moment. Instead of butting our rolls up to the fence, I'm going to lay one that way going with the fence. That way it gives us a nice clean edge up against our garden fence or up against our footpath or something like that. So it's much easier to work with.